Question I get asked a lot is, how much money do you need to owe before you can file bankruptcy? The answer is it's up to you. Theoretically, you could file bankruptcy against a single dollar of debt, go through the entire process, and get a discharge of that $1 of money you owed to your creditor. But it wouldn't be worth it. It wouldn't make financial sense. My rule of thumb goes like this. If you owe under $10,000, it's almost never worth filing bankruptcy. If you owe between $10,000 and $20,000 of debt, it may be worth filing bankruptcy depending on how nasty your creditors are, whether or not those accounts are in collections, and whether or not you're being garnished. And if you owe more than $20,000, then yes, you rang the bell, you probably want to file bankruptcy. The reason I'm posting this today is I had a client who I met with yesterday who just lost a job paying her $7,000 a month. She had no other expenses, no children, $7,000 a month of income coming in. She had $13,000 of credit card debt and $150,000 of student loan debt. The bankruptcy wouldn't help her on that student loan debt, which means she would be looking at getting rid of $13,000 worth of debt. Based on her income level and the fact that she should be able to get another job, maybe not paying $7,000 a month but paying similar, there's no reason for her to file. I advised her to contact her creditors, get on payment arrangements, and try to get a better job as quickly as she could. Now, I've had other clients who only had $12,000 or $13,000 worth of debt, but their income was low enough that they were getting garnished every 2 weeks, 25% of their paychecks, and had virtually nothing left to support their families. Yes, in that situation, it's worth filing bankruptcy, just to stop the garnishment, just to get a discharge of debts that they would not be able to pay off normally. On a side note, this is why attorneys are horrible salespeople. An attorney looks at the problem, gives you advice, and probably talks too much. If this woman had met with a salesperson, he would have landed her, gotten the $200 retainer up front, and then got in for the kill and tried to convince her to file in the next day or two. I'm not that great a salesman. In her situation, no, she shouldn't file. In your situation, it's a personal choice. You should talk to your attorney, look at your finances, and then decide whether or not you want to pull the trigger on a bankruptcy. Thanks.